All right, so the next website that I wanted to share with you all is called Freckle.com. If you go to Freckle.com, you can sign up as an educator and get yourself an account. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and I'm going to continue from that. All right. The reason I chose this website before I get started is because you can choose lessons and gear them towards your students, individual students, and you can use these lessons in small groups. You could use them individually. You can use these at home. The kids can sign into them at home. They can use them on vacation, and specifically I thought it would be great as well for summer slide. Let's see. I'm just going to go through some of these things with you all. The purpose of this website is to allow the children to work on math skills, reading skills, science skills, social skills, ELA, and you can see reports for each one of these subjects and assignments that you give your kids. So, okay, let's go ahead and get started. You can see down here, it had assigned me a class code. You can also print these login cards, which will give you a QR code. Our kids at our school are really used to having the QR codes and using those to log into these different activities. But activity feed, if you look here, it will show you what your kiddos have been doing. And then assignments. This is cool. You can assign your kids specific assignments for them to do, and it will show you incomplete and complete. I thought that was great, and because of that, I decided that I would use the standard technological content knowledge for my TPACs. One, candidates design facilitate diverse learning activities that incorporate digital tools and resources. Right here, it will show you your roster of your kiddos. I entered a fake student, Jane Doe, as one of my students. And here at school, it will show you your school. If I click this, it'll show you all of our teachers and their last names, and the school that we are at. There's only a handful of teachers at our school using this, but I know the ones that are using it have loved it. Here's the subjects that you can use: math and ELA and social studies and science. We'll look a little bit more at those in a second. You can assign specific lessons for them, and it'll show you some standards. And then this is super cool. It will print out reports for you on how your kiddos are doing on that. Because of that, I chose ISTE E7C, Educator and Analyst. You can use these reports and share these reports with your students and your parents, helping the kids determine more self-direction in their learning. ELA, reading articles, practice skills and standards, build reader fundamentals. I really liked the social studies and the science units here. And as you can see, this is a K-12 website. So like some of these lessons are geared for the younger elementary, and then some middle, and then some upper. I looked a little bit ago at the space and science. That's on the science one. On this one, patterns in the sky, excuse me. And view assignment activities. It shows you the different activities that you can assign to your kiddos. I thought this was so great. There's videos, students will participate in a gallery walk of images. How much fun would they have if they were, able to work into little small groups and explore these lessons together? They would love that. Let's see, I just want to make sure that I've answered all my questions here. Oh, let's take a look real quick. Let's go view student app. That's what I wanted. take me to the student app. This is what the kiddos see. Now, mine only says ELA and math because those were the two that I chose when I first signed up. You can sign up. When you sign up, you can add all of the subjects to yours. You can leave notes from you to your students. Really cool. It looks like they earn little coins as well as they play, which is fun for them. Okay, I think that is all. Again, this could be geared towards, this is for your students. I love that the teachers can view these things, see reports, and parents can as well, that the kids can do these things at home. So, okay, thanks so much.